A vending machine is an automated machine that dispenses items such as snacks, beverages, lottery tickets to customers, and after cash or a credit card are inserted into the machine. Welcome to my channel. 8 complete guides to start vending machine business. 1. Market research is for you to research the market to understand the target audience, such as where they are most likely to be, their expectations, and the product needs to fulfill these desires. 2. Choosing the right vending machines. Once you have decided on the target audience, you have to select the right vending machines and the factors such as size, price, and the features in the vending machines. 3. Find the right location. This is the most important in the vending business. To find a good location, make sure to look for areas with high foot traffic like airports, office buildings, and colleges. Get the necessary license for vending. When starting this business, you will need several licenses to operate legally, such as GST certificate, trade license, FSSAI license, fire safety certificate, and so on. 5. Work with a vending machine consulting company. You will need them to consult you on everything and provide the vending hardware and software required to run the business. 6. Make sure to keep your vending machine fully stocked. Also check the vending management system and its notification. It will help you to know when it is low for restock. 7. Maintain the vending machine by checking products to ensure they are not expired. Clean the inside and outside of the vending machine always to maintain hygiene. 8. Provide great customer support. Make sure you put into account feedback you receive from your customers and always resolve the issues by providing refunds if necessary. If this is your first time of you watching my video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please click on the bell icon to get notice whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.